What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over 5 solid Robinhood app tips for beginners in 2020 and beyond. Okay, so I'm going to have my Robinhood account pulled up here, and if you guys haven't got started or want to get started on Robinhood, definitely recommend it. I'll have some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments of this video. So, right now it looks like we had a pretty good day. We were up quite a bit for the day on here. But, the one thing I want to point out is that, you might look at my account and be like, okay, he's got, 60,000 in it. But you got to remember, I've been using Robinhood for like 7 or 8 years. I started with a couple $100. So I've built my account up over time. And, this last year has been really good to me. You can see I'm up whatever it is, like 50% of my account. But, that's the thing. I started with a couple $100 and I've been able to grow to this point. So my first tip for everybody is just to get started. You know what I mean? Don't put it off. You can start with as little as $5 on Robinhood. Then, of course, you're going to want to research anything that you're going to buy on here. Now, Pinterest I wanted to pull up because this has been one of my best performing stocks on Robinhood this year. Now, I bought some of it back in February, and then I bought a little bit more of it, throughout the year here. You can say I had a big purchase for like $7,500 of it. But the reason that I bought Pinterest when I did was because I saw that, it was undervalued. I really researched it before I bought it, and, I'm up almost 200% on it right now. And one of the places that you can research these stocks is Yahoo Finance is a good place. And basically what you do here is you type in, any stock, maybe you're looking at on Robinhood, and then you can start to look at the financials for them. You can pull up how they've done on like a quarterly basis, if they're making money, losing money, if their sales are going up. These are all things that they have to report. So you can kind of look at, how the company's doing before you buy it. For me, Pinterest hasn't been around that long, and I know they're not going anywhere. So that was one of the things that I was thinking about when I bought it. But anyways, you have to research anything you're going to buy, obviously. Another thing you can do is set up recurring deposits on Robinhood. You can do that just to get money in your account, like on a daily or weekly basis, but you can also set it up for like individual stocks. You can't do it for the crypto on here, but you can do it for individual stocks. So that's something that, I definitely would recommend. Now, another thing I would recommend using on Robinhood, they've got some cool built-in tools on here. And these tools have actually gotten better. They've got analyst ratings for, different stocks. And they have, things categorized now from like the most popular stocks on Robinhood right now to upcoming earnings and things like that. So let me pull up another stock I own here. Okay, so another thing you can do, and this is actually a pretty solid tip, you can check out dividend-paying stocks. Now, these are stocks that pay you either quarterly or monthly, depending on how they have it. One of them that I bought not too long ago is called British American Tobacco. They pay you just for owning the stock. That's what a dividend is. I think I made like $250 on this so far this year. I bought it sometime this year, but basically they give you free money just for owning their stock, which is pretty cool. It's something that you can, check out. Usually though, if you buy any of these like dividend ones, they're usually not like super high growing, like a Pinterest or like a tech stock or even like a crypto. But, it's something that you could add into the things you own on Robinhood for sure. So kind of just to recap what I've gone over as far as these tips so far, obviously just get started, stop procrastinating on it. You can set up recurring deposits for individual stocks or just your account. You can use some of the built-in tools on Robinhood, which I was talking about here. You've got like the 100 most popular upcoming earnings. They kind of like break things down with some of the tools on here. And then you can check out dividend-paying stocks and just research, man. You got to be researching anything before you buy it, right? So, that's basically it, guys. I do also want to point out, though, Robinhood, I've talked about the crypto on here. They don't have a lot of options currently, but if you were going to check out any of the crypto, I would go with either Ethereum or Dogecoin. Those are the only two that I would actually check out right now at this point in time. But other than that, that's really it. Now, I do hope to continue growing my account. Hope it keeps going up, in the coming weeks and months. It's been a, really good year for me. So, yeah. Anyways, if you guys could smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching it. We'll see you in the next one.